Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about dust extraction. Let's get straight into it. I built this toy box the other day and made a god-awful mess. So I decided it was finally time to do something about it. So I bought this shop vac from Screwfix a little while ago. It's just a cheap Titan one. And it's been fine for cleaning up the shop after jobs. You have to make sure you use the bags to collect all your sawdust, otherwise all the filters get clogged really quickly, which is why people use proper dust extractors and cyclones and stuff to limit the amount of sawdust that ends up going in here. So I've bought a cyclone, I've bought a drum, plastic drum that you can seal. It's pretty sturdy, so it's not gonna implode like I've seen in some other videos. So I think it's pretty straightforward. You just cut a hole in this lid for this. There's a gasket which is there, which then just sits on top of there. You then connect the hoover into there, and I've bought some other hoses, vacuum hoses, which is there. That will then go into there, and you then connect that to the job, the tool, or whatever you're doing. So yeah, it should be pretty straightforward. I think I've got everything that I need, so let's give it a go. Right, so I think I've got that set up correctly. I've got the shop vac going into the top of the cyclone, and then this long 5-meter hose going into the side. So I've got a load of mess over here that I created when I was making the toolbox. So let's give that a go and see if it's working. Right, so with a bit of luck, there should be a load of sawdust in there. So it's come into here and then not gone into there. There we go. Happy days. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how that's all working. I think I need a little cart or something just to house both the shop vac and the blue drum so that they're together, and I can just then pull that around to wherever I'm working. So maybe I'll do a video on that in the future. I'll put links down below to all the products that I've used, so if you want to use the same shop vac, the blue container, the Dust Commander Cyclone and the 5-meter extension hose, I'll put links down below to all of that. It's all pretty cheap stuff that you can easily find on Amazon if you do want to create the same setup that I've got here. And again, it's been really easy to do. That's taken me 10 or 15 minutes to put those bits together and connect it all up. So thanks for watching. If you found that video useful, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.